adventure today, we had an impromptu stop at Westside Preserve on our way to Kiln Point State Park. We then found our way up to Reuben Tart County Park. Here we go! On the drive to Kiln Point, there's a lot of beautiful turnouts to look at the view. I think we'll stop at one. Should I take my mask off? Hey everybody, we're just heading down this trail to see what we can find down at the end. It looks like we're at a little bit of a higher elevation, so we probably won't find any beach here, but some great views. Hope you enjoy. This turnout at the Westside Preserve turned out to be a great viewing spot, and the local birds seemed to like it too.
Bathrooms. Okay, so we're not gonna walk down there because it costs $10 to stay here, but I will fly the drone. So drone in 3, 2, 1.
Kiln Point State Park is a 36-acre Washington state park on the western shore of San Juan Island in the San Juan Archipelago. The park is considered one of the best places in the world to view wild orcas from a land-based facility. Due to the unique biometric properties of the site, visitors on the shore can be within 20 feet of whales jumping out of the water. The park was the site of lime kilns beginning in 1860, and one kiln has been restored as a public exhibit. Thanks, Wikipedia. Apples. My favorite. Here are some sculptures by a local artist. We found them on the side of the road. As you can see, they made a lot of cool things out of found objects. They are 5 sculptures made from cement mixers. Several of the sculptures have open doors to go inside, where there are books, chairs, and furnishings. We've made it down to Reuben Tart County Park. Alright everybody, once you get up to this little mound here, you can pretty much see, it almost feels like a 360 view of a bunch of the other islands over here from this one vantage point. Super cool. Quick shout out to my dad for telling us about this place. Thanks, Pops. Love you. I had never been out here since we got our place on the island, but it's quickly becoming one of my favorites. Reuben Tart Park is on the northeast side of the island and offers 2 small pebbly beaches separated by a rock bluff. The park looks out over Saturna, Flat Top, Waldron, Sucia, and Orcas Island. Now, whether or not I said those correctly, we don't know. Also, which is which? We may have to ask my good friend Google. Always with that. Run, run, run! Run, run, run! To the fastest in the west! Get it, girl, get it! Get it, get it, get it, get it! Okay, alright, time.